Good morning everybody and welcome to the Doncaster Motorcycles walk around workshop video. You've not had one of these for a few days. Hayden's busy doing his thing. Stocking up the coffee machine ready for everybody to... As if anybody wants a coffee in this weather.
You can double.
We've also got bottled water. You can double what? Cool.
Yeah, double.
What we got? I've got to finish off the ZX6R that you saw the valve clearances being done the other day. We have got a ZZR 1400. I'm about to replace the master cylinder with this Gucci looking Hell option. As it's gone, the Harley's failed its MOT. We've got a sticking brake light so I can sort that out. That's in for MOT today. Neil's busy with the wonderful YBR over there. What else have we got? We've got a couple going home. Oh no, that's not going home. That's still waiting for a clutch. The accelerator grips has arrived for the F800 GT. We can sort that. The SV650 is still for sale. I've not advertised it anywhere but Facebook, but it's still up for grabs. That one's waiting for service. We've still got the Bandit over there for sale. Again, I've not advertised it anywhere. I really should, but I just haven't had the time. So if you're on Facebook or any of the socials, you'll have seen it. Snap it up before it goes on the Bike Trader or any other the advertising places that charge me a fortune to put it up. Anyway, so thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this one, and see you later, Hayden.
See you later, Hayden.
Ha ha!